कोई repeated dreams, frequent repeated, same subject.
Dreams about my relatives, yeah. Those who passed away. Huh?
Papa,
पापा, भाजी, मेरा विनोद दादा.
family,
Exactly.
close one.
Yes.
So what they are doing in their dreams? Your dreams?
Normal, like we are just laughing, talking.
Earlier
about
life.
stuff. Yes.
How they
Yeah, previous
were
life,
there.
you know, like how we have lived. Previous time.
Any fearful dream? Likings, desires.
No, I have no desire. Actually, I'm like desireless. I have really no desire. I don't want to.
Earlier I was full of desire.
Yeah. Yes.
That
There was
is a major
time.
change.
There was a time, yes, but now I don't desire anything at all. I mean, no, not really.
Simple earning for food,
Yes, that's
nothing
it.
else.
Exactly. I don't want anything. I want to travel, and that's what I'm doing. That's it.
Philosophical. Hmm. What you like most?
Traveling.
What kind of site of traveling site do you like?
I love to go into the nature. I love nature, and yeah.
Nature is always nature sites are there, like sea is nature, mountain is nature, desert is nature.
Mhm.
But what you like most?
Mountains.
You felt some domination were there in your life, childhood?
Not that I remember. Yeah, of course. Yeah. But it was from my parents. You know, like they tried to dominate me. They tried to. They forced me to do things that I didn't want it to. You know, and I did it so far, and I wasn't happy. But then I always been rebel, and yeah,
You were rebelling, but you did this. What kind
I
of
did
rebelling
that.
were there?
I did that. What they asked me to do, what they forced me to do, not asked me to. They forced me to do. And I did things that doesn't make, which didn't make my soul happy. Yeah.
Against them. I did it without desire. Makes me unhappy. Any example?
For example, like going to my Nani ji ke, I never felt welcomed. You know.
Ignored.
Yeah, I always felt like I was ignored by or you know. They tried to compare me with others, and I was not happy with that.
उनका लड़का तो ये कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है ये, इसको सही करो,
Exactly.
संभालो, मामा खासकर जो करते हैं.
ये खाड़े थे बिगड़ गो.
सो धीरे धीरे वो बर्ताव उनका जाने तो नहीं सुधरेगा, नेग्लिजेंसी में आ गए.
And I never asked their help or never asked their opinion, you know. Why do you make opinion about someone that you don't even know? You know what I mean? Now I realize that, you know, like why do we do that?
नाउ रियलाइज सब अच्छे ही थे, तरीके खराब थे शायद. रिपेंटेंस. जो भी earlier you have like some grudge,
tough life, you know.
tough.
My childhood was not as pleasant as, I don't know. I don't compare it with yours or with someone else, but it was a bit tough, rough and tough.
कभी कभी हम उसको टफ बना भी देते हैं, शायद चीज़ें होती नहीं हैं। हमारी हमारी उम्मीदें, हमारे इच्छाएं, या हम उस फ्रेम में नहीं होती जो हमारे पारिवारिक फ्रेम है, उससे बाहर सोचते हैं, तो वो टफ हो जाती है।
बट उस टाइम पे हमें रियलाइज़ नहीं होता, बट हमें बाद में पता चलता है कि हाँ वो टफ थे, वो लोग हम पे काफ़ी हार्श थे.
हार्श थे,
ऑफ कोर्स.
हार्श अपब्रिंगिंग।
If they would have been easy on us, on me, things would have, like things would have been different. I don't know, maybe it wouldn't be.
No,
but,
no, no.
That's
It's very different. Now, when you come to understand, it's okay time.
okay.
Don't regret.
Sometimes, that's what I mean. I have regression.
Hmm.
And then I think about जो होना था ऊपर वाले के हाथ में, वो ऐसे ही होना था.
वो डिजाइन था ना।
Everything, yeah, it's designed. That's right for me.
So you fought for everything. Nothing easy for your life.
Exactly. I fought for everything, and now I don't, but I don't want to. I'm like, fuck it,
Acceptance.
I'm sorry for using this word.
Acceptance. Let it. Which weather you like most?
Winter.
रात को कवर करके सोते हो?
But Charanix,
पसीना।
all my mattress are saturated with my sweat, fully. क्यों? You will tell me later. Yes, that's good. सही पूछा, सही टाइम पे मैं पूरा भीग जाता हूँ, मेरा पूरा.
पुरानी बीमारियां जो रही हैं, जिसके लिए दवाइयाँ ववाइयाँ करी हैं।
I did drugs in my life. I did a lot of drug. I did a lot of drug. I did coke. Yeah, full power coke. और
उससे कोई तकलीफ हुई क्या?
नहीं, कभी नहीं. हाँ, मेरा नाक ब्लॉक हो जाता था ज़्यादा लगाने में, तो सांस लेने में दिक्कत होती थी उस टाइम पे. Besides, nothing.
और कोई मतलब कोई लंबी मेडिकेशन?
Of course, I used to take Spasmos Proxil.
कोकेन
Opium?
फॉर पेन,
No.
स्मार्टोप्रोक्सोविल
Yeah, exactly. Spasmos Proxil. Yes.
फॉर
I used to think that was for bring me to another realm, but
Okay.
But it's long story, yeah.
हाउ लॉन्ग यू टुक दिस?
For 4-5 years.
हाउ यू कम ओवर विद दिस
Willpower.
सडनली?
Willpower.
राइट टाइम यू लेफ्ट दिस, अदरवाइज
Yeah.
यू नर्सिंग
I would
टेबल।
have been there.
तो या परफोरेशन ऑफ इंटेस्टाइन, फर्स्ट सिम्टम, आँख का फट जाना, फर्स्ट सिम्टम व्हेन इट्स लाइक अबंडेंस।
Willpower काफी strong है मेरा, I think.
वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग है मेरा। डिल्यूजन इज स्ट्रॉन्ग। All delusion. वो चीज़ जो बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं।
झूठ, दिखावा।
खाने पीने में कोई चीज़,
I'm flexible.
गट हेल्थ ठीक है,
Mhm.
यूरिन ठीक है, सब कुछ बताइए दिया नहीं क्या। हाँ, पेरेंट्स हिस्ट्री,
मम्मी asthmatic,
और
joint में पेन रहता हूँ क्या? That's it, I think.
पिताजी होता है।
उनको आई थिंक वो काफ़ी कमज़ोर इंसान थे, वो काफ़ी कमज़ोर
फिजिकली
mentally. He couldn't handle a thing. Like if he's got worry, he used to have worry like for nothing, you know, and
एंजियसनेस, एंजाइटी समथिंग,
anxiety things like that.
जूलिया
She's good with everything.
नथिंग,
But you know we are not together, right?
बट अर्लियर शी वाज योर वाइफ फॉर लॉन्ग।
Yeah, but it's about 17, 18 years ago, right? We're not together.
तो ये सिंगल स्टेटस मतलब नाउ सिंगल स्टेटस में
नहीं,
नहीं।
मैं कभी नहीं रहा सिंगल,
अच्छा,
कभी नहीं रहा मैं सिंगल. Never been in single, maybe for not more than 6 months.
तो सिंगल स्टेटस भी परेशानी है क्या?
नहीं.
नहीं नहीं, इफ़ यू विल अलोन फॉर लॉन्ग,
I don't think so. I think I feel good when I'm alone.
it's not about sex, it's like about
It's
to
about
share something
no,
with
yeah, exactly. To have someone that you
same
can talk
mind
with,
में,
you know.
No, sorry,
To have someone that you can talk with about
share your ideas.
Yes. So
So the mental chemistry should be same with
Yeah.
that guy.
absolutely. And I've been.
So you will like, if you feel I will be alone for 1 year, is there adverse time?
No. I've
Handle.
always been fortunate.
जिम्मेदारियों में कैसे रहे?
काफ़ी very responsible, very responsible. But I never tried to show that I did that for you, but I did this for you. I just did it.
Then people take you as granted.
Did it? Absolutely right. That's what happened. That's what makes me sometimes, you know, like anger. I used to think like, why can't you understand that? What I did for you. I just don't have a urge to express or to show, because for me it's like showing off, and I just can't do it. You know what I mean? I had expectations that he or she will be able to understand, you know. Oh, but I'm sorry, they weren't.
Misunderstood.
Or my expectations.
What kind of expectation?
That person would be able to understand what I'm doing, you know what I mean, for them.
So they will not understand. They were not understanding
That's
what
what
I
my
did.
expectations.
You
Mine.
misunderstood by him.
I expected too high, you know, like shit, and then I was so disappointed because I didn't get it. The result was opposite.
यार इसके लिए इतना किया, कुछ नहीं है, साला चूरन कर दिया इसे, छोड़
But-
इसको जाने दे।
कभी मैंने फैलाया नहीं कि यार वो ऐसा हो, मैं उनमें भी
हाँ, लेकिन
I just like skate, you know.
मतलब लव, अफेक्शन, सिक्योरिटी जहाँ मिलती है हम रुक जाते हैं, जहाँ तीनों हटती है हम बिना बोले हट जाते हैं।
I didn't get the point.
लव मिल जाए, सिक्योरिटी मिल जाए, न्यूट्रिशन मिल जाए तो हम रुकते हैं वहाँ पे।
right? Mm-hmm.
अगर इन तीनों में से कोई भी लैकिंग हो रहा है तो हम साइलेंटली मूव कर जाते हैं एंड हम अपना दूसरा तरीके से अपने आप को वही चीज़ें हम वापस रिगेन करने की कोशिश में लग जाते हैं,
I think so.
जैसे पंछियों की तरह।
नहीं, फिर हम maybe
सो व्हाट द आइडिया अबाउट मूविंग इन, लाइक यहाँ चले गए फिर यहाँ बिजनेस ओनली?
totally
Business.
business. Of course, business and love. Of course, love is there too. Because I mix business and love together. You know what I mean? This is the thing with me. And if there is no love, for me it's difficult to make business with. If love in terms of someone that who understands you, or who respects you, and you respect, that's love for me.
Want of respect.